Explain to me what we're doing here.
We're gonna rip the rest of the sheetrock down. Run new electric outlet, light for the entry room, 3-way wire to that switch there, which is a 4-ganger for like the rest, for like the kitchen, pendulum lights, all that stuff. There's gonna be a light to go outside, a front entry door light, and then we'll reinsulate and then sheetrock, and run a light for this room. It's a regular round light. We're not doing nothing crazy.
Beautiful.
And that's it.
We're on the dreaded middle of the day, have to go to Home Depot run because Mike couldn't get wire earlier. What kind of wire were you buying?
14-3.
14-3 wire? I don't know what that is.
Wire.
Also sheetrock?
Yeah, we need some 3/8 sheetrock because they frame. The existing front door is framed, so they use 3/8 sheetrock, so I got to replace that with 3/8 sheetrock.
All right. And what the hell is that beeping?
You don't have a seatbelt on.
I got my seatbelt on. I'm safe. Safety first on this construction site.
I don't have my seatbelt on.
All right. And to top it all off, it's a friggin' blizzard outside.
Sorry, we're in the Mercedes.
Sheetrock down. Mike, what are you doing?
I gotta level the ceiling somewhat so we can put sheetrock up, so.
Yeah, we gotta put sheetrock up because if you can't tell, I don't know if I can zoom in here. That's just straight outside, baby. It's nice and cold in here. In case you can't see, it's snowing. But so a quick peek into what we're doing up here. So we have these ceiling joists, and I guess most of them are even, Mike, is that right?
Yeah, the one was too high for some reason.
This one right here was way too high for whatever reason, so. Even
though it's sitting on both these outside walls, it was too high.
Right, so we took two 2x4s and kind of sistered them on, brothered them on, sistered them on. And brought them obviously lower here, you know, so that's this to this now is level. So when we put the sheetrock on, the sheetrock will not look like a wavy ocean, hopefully. Yeah, what is this, a break?
No.
You can't text on the job, dude.
Yeah, well, Sean bought 1,400 shares of Dodge or something, he said. Oh, dog.
Doge?
I guess.
Yeah.
It's high as fuck right now.
I know, I bought it a while ago, but I'm like even on it. Not only do you get construction tips on this channel, but you can listen to our stock advice too while you're
at it.
Yeah,
don't do that.
What are we doing, Mike?
We're gonna insulate and then we're gonna sheetrock.
What's my job?
Clean it up and insulate the walls. I'm gonna insulate the ceiling. And we got 16 on center. Because that's what our ceiling joists are. 16 on center. It's gonna be 16 on center insulation. And that's that.
Mike?
I like to reuse the insulation in the walls and stuff. Because insulation.
If you can dream it, you can do it, okay?
Yep.
Hey, boss.
43, 44 and a quarter. What?
Can I get out of here early? Super Bowl Sunday.
Sure, why not?
Who you got?
43 Tampa. Don't bet against Brady. 43. Imagine yourself.
All right, see you, everybody.